Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video you're going to learn how to make a delicious chocolate mousse cake. Let's get started. First, we're going to make a vanilla cream. In a saucepan combine the cream, sugar, egg yolks, and vanilla paste. Bloom the gelatin by mixing it with cold water and letting it sit. Heat the cream mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it reaches 80 degrees. Remove from heat and add the bloomed gelatin. Mix thoroughly until fully dissolved. Let the cream cool to 30 degrees. Cut out a round of chocolate sponge using a 16 cm metal ring. Cover the ring with plastic wrap, place the sponge inside, and pour the cooled vanilla cream over it. Freeze until completely set. Now we're going to make a chocolate mousse. In a saucepan, combine milk, sugar, and egg yolks. Bloom the gelatin with cold water. Heat the milk mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it reaches 80 degrees. Remove from heat, add the bloomed gelatin, and mix until fully dissolved. Pour the hot mixture over the dark chocolate. Mix it well until the mixture is smooth and shiny. Cool the chocolate mixture to 30 degrees. In a mixing bowl, whip the cold cream to soft peaks. Fold the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture and gently combine. Pour the chocolate mousse into silicone molds. Cut out the pieces of sponge using the leaf shape and round cutters. Place them into the forms and put the molds into the freezer. Time to assemble the cake. Remove the frozen vanilla filling from the ring using the knife. Pour a portion of the chocolate mousse into a silicone cake mold. Put the vanilla filling into the mousse. Pour the rest of the mousse, leaving about 1 centimeter space from the top. Cut out a circle from amaretto sponge. And gently press it into the mousse. Freeze the cake until completely set. Let's prepare the chocolate mirror glaze. Bloom the gelatin in cold water. Combine water, sugar, and glucose syrup in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Remove the sugar syrup from heat and add the bloomed gelatin. Mix it all together. In a separate bowl, combine dark chocolate, condensed milk, and neutral glaze. Pour the hot syrup into the chocolate mixture and blend thoroughly until smooth and shiny. Cool the glaze to 28 degrees before using. Take out the frozen cake from the form. Cover the surface of the table with plastic wrap. Put the cake on a ring. Pour the mirror glaze over the cake to fully cover it. Transfer the cake to a cake board. Wrap a tempered dark chocolate ring around the base of the cake. Unmold the decorative mousse elements and place them on a wire rack. Glaze them with mirror glaze. And transfer them to the cake using toothpicks. Take out the toothpicks. Pipe chocolate ganache onto the cake using a piping bag. Decorate with some chocolate. For the final touch, apply edible gold leaf. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for a new tutorial. See you next time.